Looking to find your perfect boat or yacht? MarineMax Jupiter has you covered. With support at every stage, finding the right boat or yacht is incredibly easy and fun. You're not just buying from a salesperson, you're buying from a team of dedicated boaters. Discover a boat or yacht to fit your needs at MarineMax Jupiter. We offer all the latest models from the leading brands in the industry. Our in-house finance and insurance experts provide a hassle-free purchase experience. Learn from our experts in one of our many informative and enjoyable boating classes. Service goes beyond repairs. We ensure your boat or yacht operates flawlessly, giving you confidence on the water. Use the MarineMax app for hassle-free scheduling of maintenance, even at your dock. Embrace the boating lifestyle with day trips, weekend cruises, and even journeys to the Bahamas and beyond on our incredible events and getaways. From sales to service, finance, events, and so much more, MarineMax Jupiter has you covered. Visit us online or at our store today. MarineMax Jupiter, your gateway to the boating lifestyle.